Unknown reasons for high fuel consumption, minimize tips. Why is your car wasting so much fuel? 15 causes and solutions. Ever feel like your car is burning through fuel like it's drinking an expensive latte? It's not just bad luck, it's a sign that something is off. But don't worry, we're about to break down the key reasons your gas tank is emptying faster than expected. Let's dive into the top causes of high fuel consumption and what you can do to fix them. 1. Incorrect tire pressure. When your tires are underinflated, your engine has to work harder to keep the car moving. Think of it like walking with heavy boots. You use more energy and tire yourself out faster. The same happens to your car. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance, forcing the engine to consume more fuel than necessary. Solution: check your SI levels regularly and maintain the highest recommended pressure found in your owner's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door. Use a quality tire gauge to monitor pressure and adjust accordingly. Properly inflated tires not only improve fuel efficiency but also enhance handling and extend tire lifespan. 2. Misaligned wheels. Wheel misalignment happens when your tires don't point perfectly forward, causing increased resistance and uneven tire wear. If you feel your car drifting to one side or your steering wheel vibrates, it's likely that misalignment is making your engine work harder, burning extra fuel in the process. Solution: have your wheels aligned every 6,000, 10,000 miles or whenever you replace your tires. If you hit a curb or pothole, check your alignment immediately. 3. Dragging brakes. If your brake pads don't fully release, they create friction even when you're not braking. This forces the engine to work against unnecessary resistance, leading to poor fuel efficiency. Solution: if your car feels sluggish or your brake discs heat up excessively, get your brake calipers, rotors, and pads inspected ASAP. Replace worn brake components to prevent unnecessary fuel waste. 4. Clogged PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve helps remove gases from the engine, but if it's clogged, it disrupts the air-fuel mixture, causing excessive fuel consumption. Solution: inspect and clean or replace the PCV valve during routine maintenance. A faulty PCV valve can also cause oil leaks and increased emissions, so don't ignore it. 5. Worn transmission. A faulty transmission can cause power loss, making your engine rev higher than necessary, leading to wasted fuel. Slipping gears, jerky shifting, or delayed acceleration are warning signs. Solution: regularly change transmission fluid and check for leaks. If you notice RPM surges without acceleration, have a mechanic inspect your transmission. Stay until the end if you want to learn all the easy ways there are to save money. We really need to know them all if you use the car on a daily basis. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to learn all the secrets and tips you probably don't know and become a car expert. 6. Driving in low gears for too long. Driving in low gears keeps the RPMs high, forcing the engine to burn extra fuel. This often happens when drivers forget to shift up or hold onto lower gears while driving uphill. Solution: shift to higher gears as soon as it's safe. For automatic cars, avoid using L mode unless necessary. 7. Rough terrain and bad roads. Driving on gravel, sand, or rough pavement increases rolling resistance, making the engine work harder. Even small potholes and uneven roads reduce efficiency. Solution: stick to smooth, well-paved roads whenever possible. Use all-terrain tires if you frequently drive on rough surfaces. 8. Faulty fuel injectors. Dirty or clogged fuel injectors disrupt fuel spray patterns, causing poor combustion and increased fuel use. Solution: use top-tier gasoline to prevent deposits. Clean or replace fuel injectors every 50,000 100,000 miles. 9. Dirty engine air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, causing the engine to burn more fuel than necessary. Solution: inspect your air filter every 15,000 30,000 miles. You'll be amazed by what comes next. Replace it if it looks excessively dirty or clogged. 10. Bad oxygen sensor. A faulty O2 sensor sends incorrect data to your engine's control unit, leading to a rich fuel mixture and poor mileage. Solution: replace oxygen sensors every 60,000 100,000 miles. 11. Clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel flow, making your engine work harder to maintain power. Solution: replace the fuel filter every 30,000 50,000 miles. 12. Worn out spark plugs. Old spark plugs create weak combustion, reducing efficiency and causing misfires. Solution: replace spark plugs every 60,000 100,000 miles. Use platinum or iridium plugs for longer life. 13. Using the wrong engine oil. Using thicker or low quality oil increases engine friction, making it burn more fuel to maintain speed. Solution: always use manufacturer recommended oil. 14. Excessive braking. Constant hard braking and rapid acceleration waste fuel. Solution: anticipate traffic and coast to stops. 15. Cold weather fuel waste. In cold temperatures, your engine uses more fuel to warm up. Solution: limit idling and drive smoothly to warm the engine efficiently. Stop wasting fuel and save money. Now that you know what's draining your gas tank, it's time to take action. A few small fixes can save you hundreds at the pump each year. But did you know there are fuel-saving myths that people still believe? Click on the video description for more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time.